This is going to be a good day, alright? First time on the vlog. Oi.
Where's the sun? There's Ollie. This is Ollie.
Yeah.
Ollie.
Yep. Welcome.
Breathe it in.
Ricky
Guys,
Chin.
we got to leave at 3, so we need to start.
Alright, come on boys. Alright, come on boys. We are on a deadline for this shoot.
We're gonna roll it down this little hill over here. There goes the big one. Wait. Hey. Alex.
Yeah. No, just the tires. Just the tires. Alright.
Another one there. It's trying to get me.
Wait.
Whoa. Nearly got me that time.
Horizontal this time.
Snack time.
Alright boys. Now I actually have a little present for you.
Snacks.
A Prezi and.
Boys.
Yes, sir.
Guys, winner of the competitions is getting the golden egg, alright?
Not all of them.
Do you reckon you're gonna win?
Oh yeah, I should have won at least a couple of them. I feel pretty confident with the accuracy.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm a little bit nervous about today, but I just use the regular rule of life. You know, it never fails. Basically, just do your best, low expectations. Not gonna win, but just hope that one of these masters has some kind of fluke. Bang!
Yep. I know I'll win. Because I'm the best at this. What's your strategy?
What's my strategy? Just aim for the tree, flip it hard, hope it doesn't go back behind me.
Keep the object on the wheel, on its wheel.
Yeah, nice.
Wheels, yeah.
Interview's coming. Just to get the furthest, just roll it the hardest.
Nice.
They stand no chance.
Alright. Next, boys, in the background of that, all I see is you two fighting.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no!
I feel pretty confident.
I was aiming over there.
I reckon I'll win this, mate.
Oh, she's still going, boys.
Are we going for distance or what?
Yeah.
Well, but you got a clear run down there.
No.
Oh, did it
Still
stop?
going, mate.
No, still. What?
Oh,
you got a
damn.
clear run down there.
How are you going to measure that? How are we going to measure that?
What?
That's going further than everyone
No
got.
way. You'll need to measure it from like here to there.
I might do the same thing Ollie did.
Alright.
No,
Thanks, mate.
2, 1. Oh.
dude, I would say.
Hide in the tree. Thank it. It's fine. It's
Oh,
going
no.
back.
Ooh.
She's going.
Oh, yes! Thanks!
I reckon she's going as far though. That's my professional opinion, but.
Oh!
Alright,
Alright, final one, go.
oh, it looks pretty good.
Best
Oh,
that was almost
it's-
as bad as
no.
mine.
No, man. Not the tree.
Yes.
Look on, mate. Months in a bit of trouble. No.
It's not eating yours. Can't get up.
I would have put my money on Eric, but
Ollie, you're out.
I'm out.
You're out.
No, mine's gone furthest.
Has it?
Look where it is.
Oh,
mine
Max's
travels
is
the
out
furthest.
there. Max is out there.
Yeah, mine went the furthest distance.
Yeah, but it's like
Look at
distance
mine.
from the top there.
Mine wrapped around the tree.
Eric's is in the creek. Max wins. 1 point for Max. Just quickly, if you don't understand, I've got a pile here, and they're going to roll their tyres from just the top of that cliff there. And the goal is to, a bit like Punchy Ball, I think it's called. The idea is to stop it as close.
Alright, here's the plan. You can get the closest, those ratchet straps right where Alex is sitting. Hopefully Alex doesn't get squished.
Count it nice and loud. 3, 2, 1, yeah?
3, 2,
Oh, just slip.
1.
Nah, no chance, boy.
Oh.
Oh no.
That's staying closer.
That's pretty.
That's staying closer.
Alright, not terrible.
Yeah, it's only like
Count it out, Max.
20
Count
meters
it
off.
out.
78, 77,
1.
3, didn't know you could count that high.
2, 1.
Oh no, way too hard. Alright, he's got this, mate.
Yo!
Oh no! Bit closer than Eric's. He's closer than Eric's, but
3, 2, 1.
Righto, how's it looking?
Looks alright.
Oh!
My tactic was try and hit as many rocks as you can. Try and slow it down.
Boys, we might have to get the tape out for this one. That's close. The winner is
Ollie.
Ollie. You got a point. Hey!
Mate.
Ollie got a
I couldn't
point.
lose all of them.
Alright, so it's now 1-1 and 0.
So
Yeah, but roll it.
boys, while I'm saying one, we'll do it. 3, 2, 1, go! Snap.
Maxi, mate.
Oh,
Mine's quicker than Eric's, but.
I'm setting the contest, boys.
Oh, Eric's is in front.
Oh,
No, it's not.
nah. What? That was pretty.
I don't know.
Whoever this was.
Eric's.
This one.
Eric's.
Roll it over.
That's
Eric.
I can tell because that one's mine.
Eric.
Because I obviously won.
Guys.
Did Eric do it?
Eric did it.
Sick, we're all on one.
Guys, you're all on 1. And that's all I had planned. So guys, you are now all 1-all. Whoever jumps it. So you have to aim on this one. If you don't jump it, you're not winning. Through the creek.
Alright.
Guys, video 1 of this, we all saw what happened, right?
Yeah. Jump.
It shot. Did you see
It
the?
had the
Ollie,
rim.
did you see the? Did
It
you
had
see
the
my?
rim.
Do you watch my YouTube channel? Yeah, that's what I thought.
It had the rim.
It did. Boys, whoever can jump the creek, let's
What
do
if
it.
no one does?
Then I'm just gonna
Just do
announce
distance.
a winner by the furthest person or something. One at a time, boys.
Oh no, boys. Turn right.
No. It's going
Eric, next. Oh, jump that. That's good.
Guys, that would have minced my camera last time.
It is.
That's away.
It just turns that way.
I feel pretty confident that I'm gonna get. Oh no, I don't.
You gotta turn the steering wheel left.
Oh, straight in the bush.
I reckon Max is gonna win this, mate.
Yeah. Guess again.
Oh.
No, he's going straight for the
Oh,
tree,
yeah.
mate.
Oh!
Alright, you
Oh, that's close.
All right, Ollie.
Ready?
It all relies on you
Lucky
now, mate.
pod.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, boys, this is a good line.
What
Oh, it's steering. It's
Nah,
steering.
it's not
That's
good.
what I did.
Someone's got the wheel turned left.
Just throw it that way and it.
Like, you need to
Well,
witness
picking
all
up
these
speed, picking up
triple
speed.
pushes.
Oh, it's put on the left.
Ollie might win.
But it might get further. It'll get further than Eric's, I reckon.
But it got stopped by a
Yeah,
tree.
nah, it's further.
Nah, yeah, but it got stopped by a tree. No one jumped the creek, but someone got close. Who do you think won? Max?
Ollie.
Whoa.
Ollie. Can we just go popular opinion?
It's pretty obvious who won this one.
Yep.
And Ollie?
No.
Would you like to pass this on to Eric? Because he's the winner! Hey!
Dude, that's.
Alright,
Poor
you better
kid.
pay up.
They didn't even. Thanks, Alex.
You're welcome. What, no like and
Cold
subscribe?
vlogs. No, it's not cold vlogs. Alex.
People have been saying
Alex
this should be
cold
called
vlogs. Over and out.
Do what Max did, put your hand over the camera. Like, you know, one of those.